Alright, I'm out here today. Do some work for the utility body. A friend of mine's 87 Dodge D250 running. Hasn't been running in a while, so hopefully you can hear me over top of it. But got the cut lines marked out, some of this anyways. Now when this door opens up, that cut mark actually comes down this side right here. I haven't completely decided what I want to do yet. Measures 14 inches outside to outside, and then when the door is closed it takes up an additional inch with that lip there. So I'm thinking about coming in here somewhere and cutting the front of the box off and then adding in 2 inches. Which the bottoms of these are rotted out because they were above the wheel wells. So I got to put new steel in there anyways. And that would give me to a depth I can live with. That'd take me to 16 inches, which would be 15 when the door is closed. So I might be cutting those off, but for now I gotta grind all the rivets out of this E-track stuff. Saying there's, how long are these? Just under 6 foot, 5'9" and 3/4. So anyways, I got to grind all the rivets off of all these so I can make the appropriate cuts. I got to take that shelf thingy out. Also got a bunch of these shelves that came with it, so I can cut these down, weld them together, make them longer, shorter to do what I need to. Plus I got a whole bunch of brackets that they'll sit on. Now this is that's rotted out because this is going to get cut right there at that bottom one, 19 and 11/16 from the top to the bottom. Now see, spot welds are going to have to come out on the inside here, and then this panel is going to end up back here. Try and reuse as much as I can off of this. It's like one of these doors is going to be getting cut down for the other side. But I gotta take all these doors off too, so I can cut down along the bottom. Try and get this disassembled down into manageable chunks so it's not as big, and send the rest overseas. Might even be able to reuse this piece of checker plate. I think The only place it's fully welded is it's here across the back. And then down the sides it's just stitch welded. So I think I can reuse that for a floor for my skid. Alright, first order of business, taking the doors off. So on the reading boxes, they don't have a traditional piano hinge. They've got a chunk of solid rod that has been folded around the bottom of the door, and these blocks act as the hinge, and there's a nut on the inside of these. So this is a 6-foot door, so there's 3. Like this door, there's only 2, one at the bottom, one up here at the top. Now these shelves got a little spring-loaded latch here. You got to pull that back, and then this pops up. Gotta do the same thing with this side. So that spring-loaded latch is already out. Well, now you know what the inside of a service body looks like. I think this checker plate up here is still salvageable. I'll get that off once I get the other box off.